Oh yeah, my little helper here. Yes, boy. Uh-huh. Show him how bad you are. Huh? You bad boy, huh? Yes, tell him. Tell him you a bad boy. Uh-huh. Tell him. Say call. Say like our page. Strickland Custom Building and Remodeling. Tell him. Tell him. Like the page. Share it. Comment. Tell him. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, tell him. What you want to tell him? Huh? What you want to tell these folks? Yeah? Tell them call 936-234-0997.